Dear universe, welcome to my world and let's talk about knuckle cracking. Joint cracking or knuckle cracking is a common habit of many of the people. It's thought that it's a way to release tension, and people usually do this during any nervous situation. Now, what is the mechanism of knuckle cracking and the popping sound? Actually, joints are surrounded by synovial fluid, and by stretching it, the joint space increases beyond its normal size with gas bubble inside, that is nitrogen gas. And the popping sound is due to sudden collapse of the gas bubbles. Is this harmful or harmless? It was thought that cracking your knuckles may lead to arthritis or joint decay. But according to research by a physician of California, knuckle cracking is harmless. The physician conducted an experiment on himself by cracking the knuckle of his one hand over his lifetime, then checked X-ray, and there was no evidence of arthritis. But this cracking sound can be annoying to others, as well as regular knuckle cracking may decrease grip strength. Also, forceful joint cracking may lead to inflammation. So, knuckle cracking is harmless, but frequent and forceful cracking should be avoided.